Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. One of my very favorite things to have in my home are diffusers, and I love this beautiful diffuser from TAOYANG. This diffuser offers 7 different vibrant colors, but the cover itself is made entirely with pink salt. And it's real salt because you can shake the cover and you can hear it moving around. The cover is a heavy-duty double pane glass, and at the top you can see that it has these beautiful holes that the diffusing air comes from. This really creates such a cozy, relaxing space in your home. I really love that the diffuser lights up beautifully, and it's great at diffusing as well. It has a 3 or 6 hour timer, and you can also just do the light if you just need a night light. The misting itself is so well done. I love that this diffuser really is a great coverage for a big room, and I really find that comparing with other diffusers I've had, I rarely have to replace the water. It's easy to clean when I do have to replace it. The rock salt really makes this such a unique diffuser. It is absolutely stunning and beautiful. So if you're looking for your next inviting space, check out this beautiful, quiet diffuser. You will love how it operates so easily. It really runs well and it lasts for such a long time, so you can enjoy that beautiful fresh air. But that's just my point of view.